Welcome to Post Market Report dated 13th May 2024. First, let us look into the US market. US market saw another record day on last Friday, so it's up for the 8th consecutive day. Dow gained 125 points and ended at 39,512, so comfortably trading at 39,500 mark, above mark actually. So S&P 500 and Nasdaq ended more or less flat on Friday, so I would say it's a profit booking for both S&P 500 and Nasdaq, because in a bullish market both S&P 500 and Nasdaq ended flat, so I would consider that as a profit booking. So Nasdaq down by only 5 points and S&P 500 up by 8 points only. So if you look at the bond yield trading at currently 4.49%, so which is also something good, and oil trading at $83. And if you look at what for the US market will react for this week, so it's a earning report. So the earning reports are expected for Goldman Sachs, American Express, Morgan Stanley, Netflix and United Airways. So the market will react based on the earning reports for this from these big companies actually. So apart from that, the federal governor's speech is there for today and tomorrow. Today two of the federal governor's speech is there, and tomorrow Powell's speech is there. So based on the outcome of federal governor's speech, the market will react, whether they are speaking dovishly or hackishly and what data they are putting it out. Based on that, the market will react. And tomorrow we have the PPI data. The expectation is 0.2%, and the previous one is also 0.2%. Hopefully we will get the same number as 0.2% tomorrow for the PPI data. But the main data is the CPI data, which will be released on Wednesday. So the previous CPI data was 3.5% and the forecast for this month is 3.4%. So based on the outcome of the CPI data, the US market will react on Wednesday. So these are all the updates from the US market. And if you look at Asian markets, today morning most of the Asian markets were trading lower, but in a due course today the Asian markets moved up. Nikkei down by around 200 points, but most of the other Asian markets traded positive today. So this is the update from the Asian markets today. Coming back to the Indian market, so it's a high drama in the Indian market today. So I would say it's a high swing day for both Nifty and Bank Nifty. So when Nifty kickstarted at 9:15 a.m., Nifty was down by around 30 to 40 points only, but suddenly Nifty was down more than 200 points within 1 hour, and till 11 a.m. Nifty was down more than 200 points only. So after 11 a.m. there was a recovery that had started slowly around 2 p.m. So Nifty started trading in the positive zone, and overall if you look at Nifty recovered around 300 points from day's low today and finally ended up 48 points higher. So Bank Nifty also it's the same story. So Bank Nifty down below the 47,000 mark today, so down by over 700 points today, but it recovered around 900 points today, and finally the recovery was around 800 points, and Bank Nifty ended at 47,754 today, so ended up by around 333 points. So Nifty ended at 22,104. So the today's Nifty low was 21,821, and the April Nifty low was 21,777. So we went close to there, but we didn't go below the 21,800 mark, but finally recovered 300 points for Nifty and ended at 22,104. So if you recall my Friday's video, what I mentioned is the range for Nifty is for this week is 22,000 to 22,500, and the worst case scenario the support is at 21,800. So probably you can refer my Friday's video. The same thing has happened today, so it went close to 21,800, but at the same time it ended at 21,104 actually. So the range is between 22,000 and 22,500 actually, but it's a high drama and high volatile day for Nifty and Bank Nifty today. In Bank Nifty, HDFC Bank, Axis Bank and Kotak Mahindra Bank all fared well today. That's why Bank Nifty has contributed around 333 points higher. So broader market, if you look at mid cap up by around 0.4% and small cap down by around 0.4%, Mid cap at one point in time down by more than 1000 points, but the all 1000 points were recovered and mid cap ended by 0.4% higher. Indices wise, auto, PSU, oil and gas indices traded lower today. Nifty, Pharma, Metal, Reality traded higher today. Adani Enterprises, Adani Port up by around 3%. So Adani Enterprises CEO come out with a statement saying that they are planning to invest 80,000 crore for this fiscal year in energy and airport sector. So because of this news, Adani Enterprise and Adani Ports traded higher today. So and Cipla stock wise, if you look at Cipla up by around 5.6% today. And Asian Paints, because oil is trading lower, Asian Paints up by around 4%, and Devi Labs up by around 3%. Tata Motors down by around 8% today. Siemens results expected tomorrow, so Siemens up by around 7%. ABB up by around 11%. Hitachi up by around 7.7%. Lupin 4.6% and Polycab up by around 4% today. So another important update is last month Kotak Mahindra fell drastically. There was a deep sell-off in Kotak Mahindra Bank because of some RBI news. So if you see, mutual funds traded invested around 8,000 worth of money in Kotak Mahindra Bank itself, making use of that deep fall. So that is one important update. Stock recommendations, if you look at Jeffries retains buy for ABB, target price is 8,845. Again Jeffries maintains buy for TCI Express, target price is 1,825. Motilal Oswal maintains buy for Bank of Baroda, target price 300. Motilal Oswal maintains buy for Sapphire Food, target price 1650. CLSA cut to sell H, target price 4157, and City Research upgrades buy to MGL, target price 1550. So Nomura downgraded target motor, so neutral, target price is 1141, and Morgan Stanley also downgraded Tata Motors and the target price is 1100. So these are all the brokerages recommendations which I noted down and sharing. And result impacts: R3 Industries down by 0.5%, GE Shipping up by 1.3%, Relaxo Footwear down by 1.8%, Dilip Buildcon down by 6%, Bank of India down by 10%, UPL up by around 7.5%, Kalyan Jewellers down by 2.5%, Aditya Birla Capital up by 2.85%, BEML up by 15% actually. So these are all the updates I noted on based on results impact. So if you look at the April low was for this regarding Nifty and Nifty. So if you look at Nifty, April low was 21,111, but 21,800 we have a strong support is what I believe. Today also Nifty went down close to 21,800, 21,821. From there it started recurring, and overall Nifty ended positive today. So hopefully for this week Nifty range is 22,000 to 22,500 only. So we have the CPI data to be published today. So I am recording this before the CPI data was published. So our market will react based on the CPI data as well tomorrow. So however, I feel the Nifty range for this week is 22,000 to 22,500 only. Maybe the worst case scenario 22,800 we have a very good support. So let's wait and see. So it was a total nervous day today because it was a big fall, because everyone was anticipating a fall today. So as anticipated, it's a big fall today. So however, Nifty and Bank Nifty both recovered from the big fall today. Hope this recovery will continue, and no problem, Nifty will move higher and trade between the range of 22,000 to 22,500 for this week. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye.